Hi, I'm Dan, and we're gonna be unboxing another box. Hi, this is Dan, and I'm gonna open up. Hi, this is Dan, and I'm gonna open up another box of records I got. Whoa. So this is pretty exciting. Got 3 different records. Pretty serious packaging. Hefty. First one, Decide by Joe, D-J-O. You might know this. It kind of grew on me. It is, of course, featuring the song End of Beginning that I'm sure you've heard before. Pretty good looking stuff. Pretty mysterious. Not really sure who's in the band, who the single mastermind is behind this project. I have no idea. But he was great in the most recent season of Fargo. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Magic 8 Ball. Classic. Gatefold. 1 opening. Single disc. Creamy. Said marble white. Looks more just like eggshell. Can't wait to spin this one. This is where she bites a corner of the cardboard. What? There it is. Hey, that's tape though, baby. Yeah, spit that out. Next. Sophie. Oil of Every Pearl's Uninsides. I found Sophie a while ago. I don't know what year. Pretty much her first single, Bip, backed with Lemonade. I loved it. I was like, this is what I want music to sound like. Fast forward some years, she makes this album, bunch of side projects, bunch of collabos, and then sadly passes away very young. This is her only full-length album. Give it a listen. Gatefold. Beautiful. This reminds me of, you ever see Velvet Goldmine? The gatefold of Maxwell Demon or whatever? The record in that a young Christian Bale kind of jizzes over in his bedroom. This looks like a gigantic poster. Oh my God. Sophie, you tricked me. Tits on Maine. I'm gonna open that up later. 1. Gorgeous. I hate censorship, but whatever. Actually, you know what? It's music. We love it. We love her. She's gorgeous. She's perfect. And... ooh. This is really cool. Thank you. Pleased with this one. Good art, good vinyl record, easy to handle, not too much BS going on here. Proud to add it to my collection. Now this one, I'm not a box set guy. You know, the only box I really have is, I know I did a video on this before. This is pretty huge, but it's just a long album. It's like a 4-hour album, you know, so this was necessary. DJ Sabrina the Teenage DJ, Charmed. Listen to it. So, when I found this album digitally, it kind of got me into her. A little late to the game. Angel. So here we have Song of the Lark and Other Far Memories, combining all mirrors with its predecessor, Whole New Mess, and additional songs and remixes. So this whole thing, as a piece, in my opinion, is massive, gorgeous, cohesive, coherent. It's awesome. Beautiful. Massive. Okay, so let's crack it open. Let's just fucking go for it, bro. You're seeing this before I am. Okay. All mirrors. Track list for a Whole New Mess. I like it. I like this. I like how she's doing that. This stuff is dark. This stuff is groovy. This stuff is fucking emo. I like what I'm seeing. Lyric track listing with Black Records. Ugh. Okay, happy Pride Month with Angel Olsen. Oh, nice gatefold. Yeah. Nice, thick. It's thick cardboard. I'm glad that they put the money into this box. Looks like PDF scans of like diary entries. Cool. This is cool. This is how I imagine if you're like a huge Taylor Swift person, opening her stuff up would be like, you know, she's really putting her heart on her sleeve on the page for us to see. I think that's probably what Taylor's like brand is, but the music doesn't hit. I came late to the party, but I'm glad I'm here. Welcome to the collection. Pop this on if you don't know it. The whole thing, really. Because even when it gets to the remixes and other versions of stuff at the end, it's cohesive, you know? It's not like, you know, you like put an album on, 11 tracks, and then there's like the 12th track is a remix of track 3 or whatever the single was, and then it doesn't really fit because it's like a club remix or something. You know what I'm talking about. This isn't like that. IMHO. So I'm gonna put these away. Cool. She's going between Tubular Bells, of course, and 1 Tricks Point Never. Yeah. Boys and girls, it's time to decide.